Welcome back, YouTube. This is episode number 8 of our series, and we are going to talk about what I put in for the Wi-Fi solution to get better signal. Alright, boys and girls, so when you order Starlink, it comes with the dish and it comes with a little modem / router and access point. We were using that single access point and it works fine, but the problem is when you have that access point sitting inside of a shipping container, the signal outside of the shipping container is really bad because essentially you're sticking it inside of a Faraday cage or a Wi-Fi signal blocker, basically. So what I decided to do is we were going to go with a system called Ubiquity, which enables us to run both security cameras and multiple access points to be able to get coverage wherever we want on the property. And I ordered everything, and this is what I did to put it in. Oh yeah, it's Christmas time. I've been waiting for this so I can put an extra access point to get a stronger Wi-Fi signal, because going through the shipping container is a terrible idea for wireless signal. So what I did is I hopped on Ubiquity and ordered me a couple access points, a Dream Machine, and one of their cameras. We'll see how this goes, how hard the install is. Well, first thing that I have to do is I have to install this here Dream Machine. That's what's going to control everything, and that's what I am going to plug into Starlink. Got a nice little pull tab. I was going to grab a razor blade and act all crazy, but I guess I don't have to. That was oddly satisfying. Power supply, I'm assuming. Looks like a big old box. What? You gotta be smarter than the box, Eric. The power supply. Hardware kit, whatever the heck that means. And brackets. Yeah, I'm not installing this in a rack, so I'm not putting rack mount stuff on it. Do I need this? Oh, it's so cute. I mean, good attention to detail, but I'm not using it. The last time we will see it looking pretty. Open the cotton picking thing. Hey, that's only the back. Yeah. Looks so fancy. It's like some stuff I would see at work. Gonna assume that one of these two is the internet port. Okay. I think it's supposed to have a built-in hard drive in it. I'm not sure why I have to do anything with that. that is. I'm peeling it off. Let's take it over and put it on some boxes because that's the true way to install something. Okay, one of the first things I need to do to get this puppy plugged into my Starlink is you have to order an Ethernet adapter from Starlink. So I've already done that. I knew that was going to happen. There it goes. It goes in between the satellite and the what's it called? The satellite and the base station. That's what it's called. Well, all I did was just plug everything in. Let's see if it actually just comes up and is really plug and play. All right, next thing, baby. Got to put an access point in. Access point is what gives you a connection to your, the wireless connection itself. It's the radio that talks to your phone or whatever device you're connecting to. Oh, so pretty. This is an outdoor rated access point. I shouldn't really have to do anything but plug it in. What the heck is all this? A PoE injector. That's cool. They come with a power over Ethernet injector, which I'm not going to use. Where that? There they are. Don't need you. Don't need you. I need the antennas. Little nubby nubs. All right, let's take this thing out there and plug it in. And snap. I just plugged it in, set it on its side. Now let's go back in and configure it. Drive by. So it was amazingly easy to configure. I didn't really have to do anything other than name the wireless network and put a password on it. So I'm not going to show you that section, but what I will show you is that I left my access point sitting on the wellhead just like this. I know it's temporary. Eventually there's going to be a building here and things will change, and there may be a security camera and some other stuff here. So I didn't want to spend the time to actually mount it. With that said, I have one dead spot left, which I don't care about, and that is behind the shipping container right here. Other than that, everywhere else has beautiful signal and I'm able to work. If you made it to the end of the video, I hope you enjoyed it. I appreciate you watching this long. And again, please like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you very much. Have a good day.